For lesson 8.3, we were working backwards with perimeter. So we're going to start off with some regular polygons, knowing their perimeter, and we're going to figure out the side lengths. So since the sides are all the same, we can just do 45 divided by 3. That's going to give us a side length of 15 feet. 20 divided by 5 is going to give us a side length of 4 yards. 54 divided by 6 is going to give us a side length of 9 inches. And 14 divided by 7 is going to give us a side length of 2 yards. For the next part, count the number of sides of each regular polygon, then using the perimeter, determine the length of each side. In number 2, our n is equal to 4 here. So if I do 92 divided by 4, I get 23 inches for each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is my sides here. So if I take 144 and divide by 8, each side length is going to be 18 yards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if I take my perimeter of 20 divided by 10, each side length here is going to give me 2 feet. For the bottom part here, given the perimeter, determine the length of the missing side. Show all work, addition, and subtraction. What I'm going to do is add up the sides that are already here. So I have 15 plus 9 plus 5 plus 18. So 15 plus 9 plus 5 plus 18 gives me 47. Knowing my perimeter is 59, I'm going to do 59 minus 47. And that will give me a side length of 12 for the remaining side DE that's up here. So 12 yards, putting my label there. In this triangle, I have 37 and 31. So 37 plus 31 is going to give me 68. The perimeter is 92, so I'm going to do 92 minus the 68 that's already there. And that gives me a side length that's missing of 24, and my label is yards. In this one, with our rectangle here, we know that these two sides are 10. So we have 10 plus 10 is 20. So we're going to take the perimeter of 70, subtract away that 20, which leaves us with 50. But we need to split that between these two equal sides. So 50 divided by 2 is going to give me 25 feet for each of those lengths that are there. Number 8, the width of a rectangle is 1 more than twice the length. The perimeter is 44 inches. Find the length and width of the rectangle. So this is like what we did in our notes. The perimeter is 44. We have length and we have width. It says the width is 1 more, so that would be plus 1, than twice the length. So twice tells us 2 times L. So our width is 2L plus 1, which means we're just going to represent the length with the letter L. Keep in mind the perimeter for a rectangle is 2L plus 2W. So our perimeter is 44. L is just going to be L. And instead of W, we're going to replace it with the expression 2L plus 1, putting that in parentheses because it is an expression. I do need to go ahead and distribute. So I'm going to get 4L plus 2. Over here, I'm left with 44. This will give me 6L plus 2 when I combine my like terms. Taking away my 2 on both sides, I'm left with 42 is equal to 6L. Dividing through by 6, I get 7 is equal to L. So my length is equal to 7 inches. And my width, if I plug in 7 for L, 2 times 7 plus 1, 2 times 7 is 14, plus 1 is going to be 15 inches for this one. That's it then for 8.3, working back.